Physical Education. BE Semester 2, Chapter 3. Constituent of Physical Education. From book, Gym Fitness Foundation. By Dr. Sukhraj Singh. Incorporating physical education into the academic curriculum ensures a holistic approach to education, addressing aspects of the physical, mental, and social development of the students. Physical training. It involves exercising with the aim of increasing physical fitness, strength, endurance, and flexibility. It includes various forms of exercise, including daily activities such as cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility. All exercises are designed to improve the performance and flexibility of the body. Regular physical training provides the body with many benefits such as improved muscle mass, increased strength, improved cardiovascular health, and better mental well-being. For example, various studies have shown that individuals over the age of 70 can also increase muscle mass and strength through regular strength training exercises. Incorporating physical training into your routine is essential to maintain health and prevent various lifestyle-related diseases. To achieve good health, it is essential to include regular strength training exercises as well as muscle strengthening exercises 2 to 3 times a week. Physical training emphasizes the development and maintenance of the human body through various physical activities with the aim of achieving good health, strength, and fitness. This concept encompasses a range of practices including exercise, nutrition, and mental discipline, which indicate physical fitness. Physical culture. Physical culture originated in modern times, which has sought to promote health and fitness among the general population. It laid the foundation for the modern disciplines of gymnastics, bodybuilding, and physical exercise. Physical culture influences various types of fitness and well-being practices to promote a healthy mindset. It combines elements of strength training, cardiovascular, respiratory, and mental fitness exercises. Engaging in regular physical exercise provides many benefits beyond physical appearance. Experts highlight that exercise acts as a basic act of self-care, which heart and bones are strengthened, life expectancy is prolonged, mental well-being is enhanced, and stress levels are reduced. Play. Play involves spontaneous, unstructured activities that encourage creativity, exploration, and social cohesion, which are essential for children's development. Play provides opportunities to learn about the world and develops motor skills. It involves social bonding. Active play helps children burn calories, maintain physical fitness, express pent-up emotions, reduce stress, and socialize with others. Exercise. Exercise refers to planned, structured, and repetitive physical activities to improve or maintain physical fitness. Regular exercise enhances our circulatory system health, strengthens muscles, improves flexibility, and maintains better posture and balance. Drill. Drill involves repetitive activities designed to unite individuals or groups, which enhance coordination, timing, and accuracy. Teaches a sense of discipline and unity among the participants. Drill activities are commonly used in military training to establish command and teamwork. Marching. Marching involves synchronized walking patterns performed by a group, maintaining consistency in steps and physical movements while developing physical endurance, posture, and rhythm while also promoting group unity. Marching is an integral part of various ceremonial and parade contexts and strengthens group discipline. Gymnastics. Gymnastics is a sport that involves physical exercises that require balance, strength, flexibility, agility, coordination, artistry, and endurance. These movements contribute to the development of various muscle groups including the arms, legs, shoulders, back, chest, and abdomen. The types of gymnastics are as follows. 1. Artistic gymnastics, the most recognized form, which features apparatus such as vault, uneven bars, balance beam and flow exercise for women, and pommel horse, rings, vault, parallel bars, and high bar for men. 2. Rhythmic gymnastics, performed with ballet dance and apparatus alternatives such as ribbons, wooden hoops, balls, etc. Rhythmic gymnastics is performed to music. Emphasizes style and coordination. 3. Trampoline gymnastics, involves performing acrobatic movements while bouncing on a trampoline, focusing on height and accuracy. 4. Acrobatic gymnastics, It features partnerships of gymnasts working together to perform acrobatic moves, dance and tumbling, relying heavily on confidence and balance. 5. Aerobic gymnastics. It emphasizes high-intensity, rhythmic routines to music, aerobic fitness and choreography. 6. Parkour. It involves spinning, rolling, running, climbing and jumping with skill. 7. Gymnastics for all. This is a non-competitive form that promotes health and well-being through gymnastic activities suitable for all ages and abilities. Sports. Sports is physical activities or games that involve skill, competition and often teamwork, governed by a set of rules. They are usually played for enjoyment, physical fitness, recreation or professional achievement. Sports can be classified into several types on this basis such as 1. Team sports involves organized groups of players working together to achieve a common goal such as football, basketball or hockey etc. 2. Individual sports, focusing on a single opposing player competing against others or against the clock such as tennis, swimming or athletics. 3. Dual sports, played between two individuals or teams, such as badminton or table tennis. 4. Adventure sports, these involve a high level of risk, such as snowboarding, skateboarding or skydiving. 5. E-sports, competitive video gaming, which has gained popularity as a sport in recent years. 6. Informal sports, these can be sports that are organized, such as casual pickup games, or formal, such as professional leagues and international competitions such as the Olympics or FIFA World Cup. They promote physical health, mental fitness, teamwork, discipline and a sense of community. Games. Games are structured activities or recreational activities designed for enjoyment, challenge, or learning. They typically involve rules, goals, and participants. Games can vary widely in purpose, complexity, and form but generally share the following key characteristics. 1. Rules. Games have rules that define how they are played. 2. Objectives. The players aim to achieve a specific goal, such as winning, scoring points, or solving a challenge. 3. Interaction. Games often involve interaction with other players, the environment, or the game itself. 4. Outcome. Games usually have a clear end or outcome, such as a winner, a completed task, or a level reached. 5. Playfulness. Games are often designed for fun or entertainment, although some may also have educational or training purposes. Yoga. Yoga and aerobics are both popular forms of exercise, each contributing to unique benefits and physical well-being. Yoga is a holistic practice that originated in ancient India, combining physical postures, breathing techniques, meditation, and ethical principles to focus on overall well-being. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite or to join, symbolizing the unification of mind, body and spirit. Key components of yoga. 1. Asana, posture. It consists of various physical postures designed to improve flexibility, strength and balance. 2. Pranayama, techniques of breathing. It consists of various methods of controlled breathing to increase energy, focus and relaxation. 3. Meditation. Here, practices are practiced to calm the mind and achieve inner peace. 4. Philosophy and ethics. Principles such as non-violence, truth and self-discipline are emphasized. 5. Relaxation. Exercises are performed to help reduce stress and integrate the benefits of the session. Aerobics. A form of physical exercise that combines stretching and strength training with rhythmic activities to improve the fitness of the circulatory system, flexibility and muscle strength. The word aerobic means with oxygen. It focuses on increasing the body's ability to use oxygen effectively during sustained activity. Aerobic exercises are effective for burning calories, increasing lung capacity, and increasing overall endurance. Key features of aerobics. 1. Continuous action. Involves continuous, rhythmic movements such as jumping, dancing, or stepping. 2. Cardiovascular. Designed to increase heart rate and improve endurance. 3. Intensity types can range from low impact, which is easy on the joints, to high impact, which is more vigorous and intense. 4. Music driven. often features music, which makes it fun and motivating. 5. Group or solo, can be done in group classes led by an instructor or individual.